anyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to try to quickly as possible smash out yet again another eBay haul. I have another container, I need to put all this stuff away. I don't have long, about 2 weeks until I have to go away from home for more than a month to have my baby. So I'm trying to get things as organised as possible before I go. So I will just jump straight into what is in this container. Some things I've used, some things I haven't. First thing is this AB diamond shaped rhinestones. That was $1.23. I haven't used any of these. Next, then we have, I bought this spoon, cute little flower shape. I was going to do it for glitter acrylic mixes, but I stopped doing them, but it's a cute thing to have anyway. I'm sure it'll be useful down the track. It was only $1. Next is these two little packets of chains for nail art. These were $1 each. I just got a gold and a silver. I think they were 1 meter long. They actually come with a lot, but haven't even opened those yet. Next is a water decal, the water driplets one. One sheet for $1. Next is going to be a bunch of stamping plates. These are all Born Pretty. I haven't really been stamping a whole lot. I feel like the stamping plates is something that I just clutter my watch list with. I see them and I think, yeah, I want all those designs, they're beautiful, but I don't end up using them for ages. But it is nice if you come up with a design and you already have something that you could use. But this one is all like bird theme feather. I mainly got it for the peacock feather. $1.20 for that one. Then this butterfly plate, which I did use with Sharpies, was $1.59. Next is the dragon plate, which is $1.59 as well. Then the last stamping plate, $1.20, is like a Valentine's love couples type of one. Next was some of these real flowers, which I see everybody using. Of course, this is one of them things where I feel like if you buy anything on eBay that comes in one of these little pots, or, you know, the grid containers, expect them to be empty. Expect them to not look anything like the advertised picture. The quantity is always chockers full on them, and then you get them and they're empty. I also did try to use them because people make these look so beautiful. I wanted to try it. I think they gave me some money back for these, for being so empty. But I found them quite hard to work with. I feel like when other people do it, they make them look like they're soft and moldable. I couldn't seem to get my petals to stick down. But I mean, if I could figure out the trick to make them work well. Get a couple of uses out of them, but it's pretty much empty, like, come on. Then I got these Born Pretty hollow powders. These were $4.29 for all of them. And they have, I do have some pictures where I mucked around with these with different base colours and different top coats. So I'll insert a picture. The purple one's really bad. I didn't like the purple one at all. But I actually wore like the peachy-ish one. But they're really pretty. They're better than I thought they were going to be. I thought they were going to be really rough. We're not going to focus. I have some pictures. I'll try to insert them over the top or... For the price, I'm happy, because normally I suck when it comes to powders and stuff, but $4 something, and they're pretty good. Then I bought, just for the cuteness of it, is this gold dish, which is $2.48. I kind of thought like it would be as big as the base, but it's actually quite small inside. It's got like the little gel thing. I was thinking to use this either for a dap and dish or just for acetone for cleanup, because where I live it's really dry heat and everything dries out really fast. If I fill a dap and dish with acetone while I'm doing my nails, I'll have to refill it 3 times just for evaporation. Like, it dries out so fast. And same goes for my monomer, which, I mean, I get a lot more time out of that, but it is very fast. So I thought I could use it for that, but it's not as big inside as I thought it was going to be. It still might be a cute dap and dish. I like it though. It's cute. And it was only cheap. What did I say it was? $2.48. These little shell decals, like this one was $1.69, and it comes with like other shapes as well. It's not just the shells. It's got like little gold diamond things in there, and super cute. Haven't used it yet, but super cute. The whole mermaid theme that's going on, really popular at the minute, mermaids and unicorns. Then I got this. I've talked about this, like having issues with powders a lot on lots of social medias, but this is the Born Pretty Aurora powder. Comes with a little applicator, and at the same time I had bought one from Glitter Heaven, the magic something, white chrome, magic what? I can't remember now what it's called, but I got that one at the same time, and I thought this one will be crappy. This one was $1.09. Oh, I thought it was a lot dearer than that. That's dirt cheap. And I actually loved it. When I had the Glitter Heaven one at the same time, I tried them on my last set that I had, and I actually preferred this. This one has like a pinkish hue to it, like a rose goldy hue, whereas the Glitter Heaven one had a blue hue, and I definitely, with what I was going for, this one was better. But for the price, I'm actually really happy with it. Normally I hate them all, so score on that one. Yet again, some more rhinestones in a container that is pretty much empty. I have some rhinestones from when I did nails years and years and years ago. And there's one, I bought hundreds of them, all different colours, all different sizes, and a lot of them are cheapy crap. But I have this one wheel that's like better quality than all the others. And based off of the picture, I thought that's what these were, but they're not. They're those same cheapy little ones that are almost empty. But these were $1.74. Pretty disappointed. Next, I got this brush, which was $1.04, the gradient, gel gradient brush. I mean, it's terrible. It's terrible, it's frayed, it's all fallen apart. I could probably cut it and make it a little bit better myself, but I thought I'll try it. I haven't used it yet. It's rubbish, but oh well. $1.04, cheap. Get what you pay for. Next is not so much nail related, but I use it for nails. I bought this little ring light. I paid $4.85, and I love this thing. This thing is way better than I thought it was going to be. It has just the button, you hook it to the corner of the phone. I use it only for my nail pictures, even with my desk lamp. This thing is so bright. You got your first one, your second one, and your third. It's so bright, and that's not even charged. Like it lasted me ages. I forgot. I thought it had a battery, but then I had to go looking for the charger, charge it up. I left it on. My desk lamp actually has a USB port, so I can charge it from my desk lamp. But this thing is so bright, it's so good for the price, and it's rechargeable batteries. I love it. I use it almost every single photo now. So cheap. Then I got this packet of Stiletto tips. I can't remember how much these were. I'm just going to take a guess and go somewhere around $5 for 500 or whatever it is. They got, you know, your sizes 0 through 9. Really long stiletto ones. I got these because I have a new trainer hand, which is very exciting, and I got these based off of Nat Mugridge, I think it is, her channel. She uses them as trainer tips, so I thought I would grab some, and they actually look like they will work. I will have a separate video on the trainer hand and trying all the tips that I have, but happy with those, and they're pretty cheap. They do feel like if you put a bit of bend on them though, they get that white, like you bent them too far type of thing, close to snapping, so they are very brittle compared to some of the eBay tips that I've bought way back in the day, but they weren't dear, they're alright. Next I got this 12 grid nail moon and stars set. That many will probably go a long way. This was $1.96. So again, nice and cheap. Then we have these water decals. These are 24 for $1.76, and they're dessert themed. I had a butterfly set, no, not a butterfly set, a unique set, and I used them and I absolutely love them. I thought they were going to be a lot harder to use. So far every water decal I've bought has been really easy to use and has a great result, but my fiance has a huge sweet tooth. So does my daughter. So I thought these are going to be so cute. And they are. Some of the pictures on these are so cute. I don't know what exactly you would wear dessert ones for. I mean, I'm pregnant, so all food just is like ideal and seems amazing. I think they just make me hungry, but oh, I'm going to have to do like a sweet set. They are so freaking cute. You get all kinds too. I could go some cake. I think I would just get hungry if I was wearing these. I'd constantly be thinking about donuts and cupcakes, and some of them are so detailed too. They're absolutely adorable. I loved it when I went through them. Oh look, sundae, ice cream sundaes, pancakes. Oh, yum, I'm gonna have to go and get something sweet. Yum. Anyway, haven't tried any of them yet, but I will. I think they'll make a really cute set of nails. Then I got another sheet. This is only 12, and these are butterfly themed for $1.93. I think these are all from the same seller. These weren't as amazing. Like some sheets I'm like, man, that's not really my color style, but some of them, like that one is so beautiful. Definitely wear that one. Love that. Like some of them are absolutely beautiful, and they're so detailed. And I'm just finding that the water decals, are you supposed to say it decal? Decal? I don't know, I think decal sounds right to me. Suppose it doesn't really matter. Tomato, tomato. But the butterfly ones, I love butterflies, so I think they're really cute. Definitely do some with them as well. Then we got another 12 grid ocean rhinestone pack thing, $1.55. This one's another annoying one. As you can see, it's spilt like all through the packaging. They've spilt all in with each other. What do we got? We got like seashells, feathers, starfish, like conch shells, heaps of different stuff. But it's just a mess, and these ones look really cheapy compared to the moon and stars one. They're alright. Next, I got some nail forms. This is 100 of them for $2.71. In the picture, they were on a roll. That seemed ideal to me. They've shown up, and they are crazy long strips of 20 in a strip, which I find so annoying. Like, and they're just hard to keep neat unless you cut them individually, and I just feel like, they're so long and flimsy and messy and annoying. But they are probably my favourite forms I've got on eBay. I think they're extremely sticky, and I don't know if I've said this in another video before, but anything like sticky tape, double-sided tape, stickers, stuff like that where I live, by the time you get around to grabbing them, they have lost their stick. Some of the eBay ones that I have bought are getting like that. They'll stick initially, but they'll keep popping off while you're doing your forms, your sculpts. But these ones are super sticky, so I am hoping they will last longer. Like, even ones that I've done, say I've done my nails, and then I've left my table, I've just left all my rubbish on the table. My daughter will go and play with these, even though they've been used, and they're still full sticky. She'll be sticking them to her Barbies and everything, and they're still full sticky, even after I've used them and got, like, you know, product on them. But I need to, like, figure out a way to roll them up or store them. But so far, my favourite eBay forms I've bought. Well worth the money, those guys. I have 2 random items that in my container that are not on my list, so I don't know how much they are. A sticker of like bunny rabbits. Random, I don't know. I figured like Easter, got little mushrooms, little bunny rabbits, super cute. Love this one. I think I'll use that one first. Little bunny rabbits. I'm assuming these are going to be like $1. They've got to be. I'll put the price on the screen anyway. For some reason they're not on my list, and there's something else on my list that's not in here. I think that's how eBay goes though. You might get it, you might not. Then the last thing is these natural whitish tone swatch sticks. Got these for the nail foil video. I have spoken to the seller, and I am going to do a video about her foils, so I want to do these. I think I'll paint them like half black, leave half natural, half black, and then do some foil swatching with her glue and the foils that I have for a separate video, so I got them. Otherwise I don't really use the coloured ones, I just use clear. But yeah, I'm not sure how much these were. I'm going to take a stab in the dark. Let's see, what do we think? Like $3.57. That seems steep. Maybe not. I'll stick to it. $3.57. I will put the price on the screen now and see how addicted to eBay and how much I know they cost. Otherwise, there's one thing on my list that is not here, and I don't know why that is. And I think there's more little items that have been floating around or that I've used that I haven't put in the bucket. Maybe I already put them away. Anyway, try to get my stuff tidy as possible. I do want to do a couple of more videos, smash them out, filmed while I'm at home, so that when I'm away, waiting to go into labour, I have some videos to edit and I can still, I don't even know if I'll be able to upload. The hospital might not have Wi-Fi. That'll be devastating. And bad for the phone bill, because I'll still watch everyone else's videos. Anyway, you've stuck with me this long. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. If you want any links, comment down below and I will pass them on. Thanks for watching. Bye.